Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning how to divide a whole number by a whole number when the answer turns out to be a fraction. Alright, let's begin. Now, dividing simply means sharing a whole into equal parts, but sometimes the whole cannot be shared evenly. When that happens, the answer is a fraction, not a whole number. For example, 3 divided by 4 means 3 wholes shared among 4 equal groups. Here is the lovely trick. We can write the division straight away as a fraction. 3 divided by 4 equals 3/4. Do you see? The number being divided becomes the numerator on top, and the divisor becomes the denominator on the bottom. Easy! Let's try a question. Mrs. Tan has 3 identical pizzas. She wants to share them equally among 4 children. How much pizza does each child get? 3 pizzas cannot be split nicely among 4 children, so we expect a fraction. Let's solve it together, step by step. First, we write the division statement. 3 divided by 4. Next, let's cut each pizza into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 of a pizza. Now, how many quarter parts do we have altogether? 3 pizzas times 4 parts gives us 12 quarters. We share these 12 quarters equally among the 4 children. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So each child gets 3/4. 3/4 written as a fraction is 3/4 3/4. And look, this is exactly our answer. 3 divided by 4 equals 3/4. The numerator is 3, the denominator is 4, just like we said. So here is our final answer. Each child gets 3/4 of a pizza. Wonderful work. Let's recap what we learnt today. Dividing means sharing a whole into equal parts. When it does not divide evenly, the answer is a fraction. For a divided by b, we simply write it as the fraction a over b. The number being divided is the numerator and the divisor is the denominator. And always check, does the share look reasonable? Well done today. See you in the next lesson.